Death toll from New Zealand attack rises to 50. Muslim Ummah cries for its martyrs in New Zealand. 6 Palestinians killed in New Zealand mosque attacks. Muslim Scholars Union urged ban on Islamophobia. Iran's Rouhani urged international stand against Islamophobia. Iran calls for OIC meeting after New Zealand attacks. UK media failed to call New Zealand shootings as terror attack. UK Muslims receive full solidarity from community. US Muslims show resolve after New Zealand attacks. Sweden far-right politician proposed building mosque. UK man held after pledging support to New Zealand terror attack. Words of support pour in for Turkey's stance on terror.